Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today, let's go over Hideaway from Freddie King. Now, this is a masterclass in blues riffing, and you're gonna learn so much from just checking this video out. This is from a live version he played in Dallas in 1973. It's a really great high energy version. He's playing it a little faster, and this is really cool. Let's check it out together, and I'll show you the parts as we go. So this is the main theme. And now he's repeating the same theme with tiny variations. So let me stop you there. So let's go over that main theme. 12-bar blues in the key of E, and this is the main riff. So after he plays the riff, he plays a shuffle. And then he plays kind of another riff. That's the main phrase. Now he's gonna play that same phrase over the A too. But then instead of going, he just leaves a little blank space and goes like this. And sometimes in this live version, he'll, instead of doing the shuffle there, he'll kind of do a, back to the main phrase. Now often he'll do this phrase in between the shuffle bit. It's just kind of a way to spice up the shuffle. It's just a little extra riff. The very last time on the turnaround bit, he's gonna basically play the same phrase again with a variation. It sounds like this. And then start the whole phrase over again. Let's check him out. It's over the A. Now we're going to the last 4 bars, turn around. Now this is the second chorus, and he's playing it basically the same thing, but he's with a little bit of rhythmic variations. This next chorus, he's going to do a new theme. Yeah. All right, let me stop you there before we go into the new theme. The second theme is kind of like a boogie woogie, but slow. And then again. The second time you're gonna play this 3rd fret here to line up with the A phrase. Back to the E. And then back to that 3rd fret again to lead to the B phrase, phrased exactly the same way, but up 2 frets. And that's that whole chorus. So let's check out the next theme. I'm gonna back it up a little bit. Now this is kind of another boogie woogie variation. Let me just show you that real quick. Hammer on, and then to the 2nd fret here. If you're using a pick, down, down, down hammer, and then up on that A string. If you're using your fingers, do it like this. That A string will be played with the index finger. He does a little different turnaround there. And that's gonna lead us into our slidey bit, which really probably is the most fun part of the whole song. Let's check that out. Here it comes. That's really cool. Now after that, he's gonna do a lot of improvisation and stuff, so we'll do a lot more watching on that. But let's check out this last slidey riff. This is a E9 chord, triplet twice and then one beat. So it's triplet, 3, rest. 1 and a 2 and a 3, rest. So remember, count triplets like 1 and a 2 and a 3, rest. And instead of rest, you can also do a low E string like that. Like the way I like to play it is actually give a tug on it up like this. And that's kind of like, I'm taking that from Stevie Ray Vaughan. He does that a lot. Okay, after that we got this slidey bit that goes down and that leads us into a shuffle in A. That sounds like this. After that, he's just gonna go into a lot of improvisation. We'll watch it out, the rest of it, and I'll kind of talk a little bit about what he's doing, but these are the main themes that we've talked about, so the rest of the video will just be kind of watching, and I'll give you some tips here and there. Here it comes. Slidey bit. So now he's playing a phrase over A major, back to E. Phrase over B in that 7th position, back to A in 5th position. So fast. So that's kind of this position in E. Probably playing that position over A, and then now he's back in that open position. Back to the slidey bit again. Finished up with a riff. Okay, now he's repeating that. That's cool. That was what he was doing on the last phrase. So this is what we call breakdown. When everything goes away and there's a lot less energy, you can play the same thing and have a chance to pick the energy back up again. So this is almost just like a different jam. Alright, cool, and then back to the main theme again. There's a lot of stuff going on there. I'd have to spend a whole nother lesson on just that bit. Let me know if you guys are interested in doing the solo bit or the improvisation stuff that Freddie King does in this song. Let me know in the comments. Now this is another section that comes up a lot. Let's stop it. This section comes up a lot. This is in the real version, and when he gets to this spot, he starts going into straight rhythm. So like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then he goes through the plays that over the A chord and the B chord too. Let's keep watching. So this is straight rhythm. After this, it goes back to the shuffle. The shuffle rhythm. Here it comes. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. He's sliding up there for that. Let me stop it here and let me show you just a couple of things he's doing. He's kind of coming up here in this position when he plays over that E in the high position. And then when he plays over the A and the B, he kind of will play that same position, but then change it from the B chord to the A chord position, 7th position to 5th position. And then kind of use those positions to highlight chord tones when he's soloing over the 12-bar blues. Let's keep watching. Slidey bit. Cool. So that's it. So now he's just gonna go into a cool new jam. This is a different song. We'll probably check this out in another video because I love Freddie King, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. He's one of the best players ever. If you learn these riffs, this is a really great way to learn how to use riffs inside of a 12-bar blues. So I had a lot of fun showing you this, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.